hop to it.
Morning, folks. So we're gonna jump right on this utility today. I messed up trimming this morning, so yeah, it is what it is. It'll grow back. So anyway, we're gonna jump on this utility. Frank's like still tripping out. Our locates came. They're setting up another foundation. That means another utility, probably within the week. I had to dig through there because they needed to get their stuff done and hooked up in there, but I needed them to move so I could dig the trench. I don't like stopping people from working. So now we're just gonna keep going, finish this water line trench and move on to the sewer. So we're just gonna side dig it. Kind of in a tight spot right here, so yeah, side dig it, throw the dirt up towards me. Don't hit that ball. Sitting right on top of the sewer. I got air lines, stitching cords, rock coming today, so they're gonna have to move all that. That means that everybody's catching up to everybody, so it's like now we're gonna get in each other's way. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Make sure this patio doesn't go all the way across or something, so I can find out where my clean out's gonna be. Alright, so front patio, my tracer wire. Front patio is just that little indention right there. It comes 6 foot out. It doesn't really matter where I put the clean out at. So that's a good thing. Less of a hassle. I don't like digging next to these vaults. You find gravel, right there. There's some gravel. Those was right there. It should be marked, but sometimes. Yep, there it is. Kind of digging the storm at the same time. I gotta dig across all their stuff again, make them move it, because my weed pole's right over there, to the left of Frank's foot, a couple feet. Oh, I was watching the live last night. It said something about making the people are worried about robots taking over machines and stuff, and it's like a robot could not cross all that stuff without hitting something. Guarantee it. And found that, and it's a pain getting these gasketed caps off, and they're a pain unless this is beveled. You have to bevel this in order to get this on at least somewhat easier. But yeah, found that. On with the power. That's all dug. Point A to point B, where the shovel's at. The end of the shovel. I got moved to the backyard. I'm gonna help Frank tag team this utility. Then we're probably gonna take lunch. A little more off of that. Mark that right there. Nice and glued. Glue on my arm. Yeah, that stuff burned. Twist, fold it out. Right. Got that all done. Right there. That flexes and it'll pop out. So I got it staked right there. Perfect. I'm gonna go lay the water on it. Oh no, we're like 8 foot short.
That's unfortunate.
We'll see what we can do about that. Maybe the plumber can come couple onto this later if he's stopping by. And look who just rolled by. Plumbers. I'm gonna stop him, see if he can't just couple onto this real quick. Okay, another golf ball. Maybe the people that own this land before love to play golf or something. So we got done with all that utility. Now it's all machine work. Frank's in the 55 over there. He's gonna come back here, finish this trench I'm digging now. I put it on the flat bucket. I'm gonna go start backfilling, moving all the throwing dirt. And then hopefully by that time he's done with this trench, and then I'll hop over and start getting the concrete prep done. All right, that's all done. I'm gonna pretty my way up back there. Frank's handling that. Our rock's here finally, sweet. And then yeah, I'm gonna make my way around to the other side, do that same thing to this side, and get that back patio prepped. I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, maybe leave a little comment. We'll catch you on the next one.